Chia seed is a type of superfood which is high in nutrients and boosts your health. So, let's have a look at the incredible advantages that your body will gain if you consume chia seeds every day. First, it slows down the aging process. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals that cause cell damage and deteriorate skin tissue. Free radicals also cause heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. So remember to add a spoonful of chia seed to your breakfast bowl to prevent skin damage and early signs of aging. Second, it promotes weight loss. Chia seeds make you feel satiated and naturally prevent overeating. In a day, 2 tablespoons full of chia seeds can give you 40% of the fiber required for a day. Consuming lemon water and chia seeds in the morning is excellent for weight loss. 1 glass of lemon juice in the morning can burn minimum 6 calories of energy. Soak half teaspoon chia seed in water overnight, or for an hour in the morning, take a glass of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon honey. Mix well. And now add the soaked chia seed. Drink it on an empty stomach. Third, good for the heart, quercetin. A very beneficial antioxidant in chia seed can help fight heart disease. The seeds are also high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to lower bad cholesterol and high blood pressure, so it lowers the risk of heart disease. So chia seeds overnight and add them in your cereal bowl. Chia seeds can go even in fruit juices or smoothies, either in the morning or evening or in between the meals. Fourth, it improves bone strength. Chia seeds are calcium-rich food. 1 ounce contains approximately 180 milligrams or 18% of the daily requirement, which is important for healthy bone. It is very good for optimal muscle as well as nerve functioning. It also has magnesium and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. Fifth, may reduce the spike in blood sugar. Chia seed slows down the rate at which the body releases glucose, lowering the blood sugar increase after consuming carbohydrates in morning breakfast. This will help those with type 2 diabetes. Fifth, it helps with digestion. Chia seeds are very rich in fiber and very good for digestion. More than that, they have rich soluble fiber content. Hence, it helps to absorb the water from the food to form a gel-like substance in the stomach, thus regulating bowel movement and preventing constipation. Sixth, chia seeds are an excellent source of sustained energy. They release carbohydrates slowly, providing energy throughout the day. Athletes